Hi, I'm Luca Napoli, Solutions Consultant at MongoDB. In this video, we'll explore how call centers can leverage AI to deliver superior customer experiences, directly impacting retention and revenue. In fact, a McKinsey study found that life and property and casualty insurers with superior customer experiences saw a significant 20% and 65% increase in total shareholder return, respectively, over 5 years. Additionally, a satisfied customer is a loyal customer. They are 80% more likely to renew their policies. Today, we'll explore how MongoDB can transform call center operations. By converting call recordings into searchable vectors, businesses can quickly access relevant information and improve customer service. We'll delve into how the integration of Amazon Transcribe, Cohere, and MongoDB Atlas Vector Search, along with DataWorks' RAG as a Service platform, is driving this transformative shift. Customer service interactions are goldmines of valuable insights. By analyzing call recordings, we can identify successful resolution strategies and uncover frequently asked questions. Hi, can you help me understand how to add a new driver to my auto insurance policy?
Sure. To add a new driver, I'll need some details about the driver, such as their name, date of birth, and driver's license number. We can add them to your policy over the phone, or you can do it through our online portal. I'll email you the link.
Okay, great. I'll do that later. Thanks.
Morning. How do I make a payment on my policy?
You can make a payment online, via our mobile app, over the phone, or by mailing a check. Which method would you prefer to use today? I can guide you through the process depending on the option you choose.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll have a look on it.
But how does this work behind the scenes? This diagram provides a high-level overview of the system architecture. But let's review the workflow step by step. The customer asks a question. The audio file is transcribed. In this demo, we've used Amazon Transcribe, and then it is vector embedded. For this exercise, we have chosen Cohere in Amazon Bedrock. The embedding is fed to MongoDB Atlas, and a vector search is performed, finding the most relevant documents, the answer to the FAQs that are most semantically similar to the user's question. Finally, the answer is served to the call service operator, which is now able to resolve the customer's inquiry. The proposed architecture is simple, but very powerful, easy to implement and effective. Moreover, it can serve as a foundation for more advanced use cases that require complex interactions, such as agentic workflows and iterative and multi-step processes that combine LLMs and hybrid search to complete sophisticated tasks. This solution not only impacts human operator workflows, but can also underpin chatbots and voice bots, enabling them to provide more relevant and contextual customer responses. By seamlessly integrating analytical and operational data streams, insurance companies can significantly enhance both operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Our system empowers businesses to optimize staffing levels, accelerate inquiry resolution, and deliver superior customer service through data-driven, real-time insights. Thanks for watching. Check the resources below if you want to learn more.